Well, we may not be able to quite crawl yet, but we can sure drag ourselves on the floor, can't we? Are you going to show us? Oops, wrong way. Yeah. Come on. Come get it. And he just stares at me.
Yeah.
Come here. You're just a mess. You're not going to do it. There we go. Come on.
Okay.
Oh no, it rolls away. It got away from you. Oh, that was mean. I didn't even think about it. Oh, it rolled away when he tried to get it. Oh, ta-da! He got it and lost it. And lost interest completely. Hey, look over here. Look over here. I got something new. Come get this. Come get this. Oh, no. Don't make a mess. Come over here. Come over here. That's right. Good boy. Come on. You can do it. I should have put a onesie on you. You're going to get a rug burn on your belly if you keep scooting around. Not to mention you're going to lose your diaper. Come on, turn around this way so we can see you. It's a new one. You can do it. Oh, this one's closer. But I had that one. Closer. The old one. Which do I choose? Which do I choose? Oh, that was mean. I put shorts on you that touch your knees and are bunching up so you can't get your traction going, huh? Got it. Almost. Yay! You got it! Yeah! You got it! Yeah. And dropped it. Darn those balls. They just keep rolling. And they don't fit in your mouth. There, now we've changed clothes. See if that's easier. Yeah. Silly baby. Oh.